This is the perfect breakfast for you to lose 4 kilograms in 15 days and eliminate fat from the belly. A good breakfast can improve your health and even eliminate toxins and help us to lose weight. This is the case of a recipe we will teach you. Actually, it is a breakfast proposal. How so? What we are going to teach here is a healthy cocktail that should replace your breakfast. Its preparation is extremely easy, and the result is amazing. Those who had it guaranteed to have loss of 1.5 kilograms to 4 kilograms, especially in the region of the abdomen after 15 days of consumption. We will not just lose weight, we will also feel better, healthier, and your hair and nails will become stronger and beautiful. What is so special about this recipe? Its composition is very rich in nutrients and antioxidants. It is a well-balanced formula that has been developed to ensure a healthy loss of weight. How to prepare the recipe? It's all very simple. We will need 6 prawns. Put them in 1/2 milliliters of boiled water. Let it then stay that way for about 10 minutes. In another container, place 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, and a spoonful soup of pure cocoa powder in a bowl. Add 300 milliliters of kefir or natural yogurt. It has B2 natural even without any sweetener, and mix well. Chop the prawns and add them to the mixture. Then leave the cocktail in the refrigerator at night down. The next day, as soon as you wake up, you are going to have this drink. You should consume it every morning on an empty stomach, replacing breakfast. There is no time limit to take. You can consume it for 30, 60, 90 days or more because before being a weight loss formula, this drink is an excellent food. We will love the results. In addition to lose weight, we will feel much healthier and your appearance will improve a lot. If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!